Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel YVS Crochet Art, and this is Viveka. I hope you guys are doing good and enjoying my crochet designs a lot. So here's a beautiful crochet cape poncho made using a simple shell stitch pattern. It's perfect for all sizes starting from babies to adults. This is not a tutorial video. I've added a small preview of the tutorial on screen, but the full detailed step-by-step tutorial including all measurements is available on my YouTube channel YVS Crochet Art. So do check it out, and also the link to the full video is given in the description box down below, so have a look on it. And also, if you prefer written instructions, the complete written pattern is available on my Ravelry store YVS Crochet Art Designs, and also more poncho designs and videos are coming soon, so stay tuned and I wish you all a happy crochet. If you're visiting my channel for the first time ever, please do subscribe if you like the content, and also do like and share the video to the family and friends who love crochet like us. And please do comment if you have any doubts regarding to the video. Thank you so much for watching.